Cosmo. That's 21 inches. I'll take it. My GoPro died, but I am going to try to film this. Guys, I'm reeling in the best I can. Oh yeah. Seth Cosmo. Oh man. Oh, track this guy down. You guys, my GoPro died, guys. I was reeling in with one hand and filming with another. What a glorious day, guys. Oh man, what a beautiful redfish. That's Seth Cosmo. Whoa. Oh, he's out of the net now. He's dangerous. Check that bad boy out, guys. Check that out, guys. Wow, beautiful. Oh yeah. There you go, guys. Another redfish. Gonna tire him out, guys. I know it's dark. I know the quality probably sucks, but I'm trying, guys. And that, my friends, is my redfish limits. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my redfish limits. Yeah, baby! Yeah, Seth Cosmo, baby. I'll take that any day, though. Dude, he showered me. That's Cosmo. He might. I don't know if he's oversized. We'll see. 19 inches, bro. Check it out, guys. That is what you like to see, guys. Get you some. This one's good, bro. This one's good, bro. Oh, this one's good. This one's good. Seth Cosmo. Nice. I swear this is a twin to the last one. This one might be a 16 at 17. 16 and a, no, yeah, 16 3/4. Seth Cosmo, guys. One more try to limit out on red and trout, guys. This lure right here. Check it out. Get it done. guys real quick. Check these out. Oh. I don't want to tip over. Check it out, guys. Look at that. That's a beautiful picture, guys. These are 2 trout. One more trap to go.